What's up guys, it's AMT here, showing you the best team pile-up in the maze. I would like to give a big shout out to my friend I Am Hero 144 for letting me upload this to my channel. He is an amazing YouTuber and his link will be in the description. So, all you guys need to do for this glitch is have a trample steam and place it right where he does in this video. This glitch is really great to get to high rounds and rack up points before going to pack a punch. Well, that's about it. Leave me a like if you didn't, dislike it, and tell me why. If you really couldn't hear me or understand what I said, I Am Hero also has a text tutorial in the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This is AMT here, and I'm out. Peace.
Put your feet to the pavement. Look at my behavior. See how and be how and trip what I was raised with. Ain't no nigga fade me. Banging like the 80s. Had a lot of money with a handful of babies. Boy, this shit is crazy. Straight from the turf. Hit the red alert and ask Mac, it better work. So I slide to the speed eye, right behind the lee's eye, and get a bag of peas eye. Avoid getting peas eye, cause keys eye is on me. They want me, but I can't fold. I'm an east side rider, I was born to roll. Never tell to be told, never sell to be sold. On the level with a rebel, boy, I stay in control. And I'ma let you ride with me so you can see how it goes. And we'll hit the track, let you peep out some hoes. And if you like what you see, and you agree with me, then you enjoy my perspective of the LBC. Kick back and roll up and mix the Henny with the soda. We riding like we flying through the system of solar. In the aroma of Doja, the atmosphere and we hearing. Since I'm the driver, I'm riding with rearing super suspension. The mission can't be completed till you get back live. Now you're bobbing to the beat on the passenger side.
Roll up, this is how we go. Windows down, music up, this is how we flow. Lean back, roll up, this is how we go. Windows down, music up, this is how we flow.
We in the tray, so I'ma dip it slow. Next stop is the liquor store. Last sip, pour it back. It's so good, I had to get some more of that. Yeah. And now we on T-Zil. Exterior, Measle. Interior.